So in question 16, this is a hard one, a really hard one actually, but we'll get to it. So anyway, we need to find the length of BC, which is this length here. We cannot currently do this, but we're going to have to use trig, and we can do it. We're missing one piece of information. So if you think about this side here is 6, because 3 add 3. This side here is 10, because 6 add 4. So we can, if we have this angle in here, then we can use the cosine rule, because the cosine rule, we've got three sides, one angle, and we have 3 sides because this is the one we're trying to find. Then we can use the cosine rule on that, but we need to find other pieces of information first. So next stage, I've drawn out a triangle here. This is this triangle here. So we can find this pink angle in here with using right angle triangle trig. So we need to know which one to use. So if that's our pink angle, then what do we have? Well, we know we have the hypotenuse, because that's 4. So we tick hypotenuse, and then we cross out, because we're not going to be using tan. And then what else do we have? Well, this is the opposite here. But we don't have the opposite. Sine uses opposite, so it can't be sine, so it must be cosine. So then doing that underneath, so I know that the cosine of this pink angle is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So cos of A is equal to 3 over 4. And to find A, we do A is equal to inverse cosine 3 over 4. So that gives me 41.4096, blah blah blah. And I'm going to round it to 41.4 degrees, so 1 decimal place. So final step in this is to use the cosine rule, which is on your formula sheet, so that's just what I've done there. So a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. Turns out, guys, we did not need to do this whole calculation down here. So, fun times. Anyway, so substituting my values in, I know that b is equal to 6, I know that c is equal to 10, and then I have cos of a, which is 3 over 4, which I found down here. So typing that all into my calculator gives me this. Then I'm being asked for the answer correct to 1 decimal place. This is correct to 1 decimal place, and I remember my units. So give yourself a tick. Thanks for watching, everyone.